It's very simple, in terms of exactly like it says, character-driven, plot-driven. When you have a plot-driven story, that is like a genre story, a mystery, science fiction, fantasy, where everything deals with the plot. You've got characters, and those characters can be detailed, compelling characters, but the story revolves on a plot and a story arc. And if you took the characters out and exchanged them with other characters, you could still have your story and your story arc. You just wouldn't have the same characters. In a character-driven story, which character-driven stories are often referred to as literary stories, literary fiction. And here, the characters, their depth is in much more detail. And so the arc of the story is not that they go off to save the world, or not that they go and they're going to fight the bad guy. They're fighting inside themselves. They are undergoing problems which they have to deal with. They have to move forward. Either they're going to change or they're going to fail to change. And sometimes they end in suicide, sometimes not. But they're really, really oriented around the problems that are internal to those characters. And I'm trying to think of an example. I think Lolita is an excellent example with Humbert, and it is his story. He does a lot of fantasizing, and a lot of stuff goes on internally inside of him. He does take action, though. It's not the action that you would want some guy taking with your 12-year-old daughter, but he does take action. And the story is very character-driven. I think another example would be Gustave Flaubert's Madame Bovary. And she has problems. It's internal. She cannot accept her situation. She doesn't have a bad situation. She's well off. She's beautiful, but it's not enough for her. And she drives herself to ruin because she can't accept what she has. She doesn't even realize how good she has it.